In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Mute All feature in your Zoom meeting. This feature is particularly useful when you're hosting a meeting with many participants and want to ensure that your session is free from unwanted noise and interruptions. By the end of this guide, you'll have a sound, distraction-free meeting environment, which is something every host aspires to achieve. So, let's dive right in and show you how you can easily take control over the audio in your Zoom sessions. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Participants panel. Once you're in a Zoom meeting, you'll find this option conveniently located at the bottom of your screen. It's represented by an icon with two little figures. Clicking on this icon will open the Participants panel on the right side of your screen, giving you an overview of everyone currently in your meeting. Now that you've opened the Participants panel, you can quickly see who has their microphone open and who doesn't. This feature is beneficial for managing larger groups, as it helps you immediately identify where sounds might be coming from if they become distracting. However, to preemptively manage noise, you can make use of the Mute All function. This feature comes in handy by silencing all participants at once. In order to enable Mute All upon entry, you'll need to locate the right toggle. Look towards the bottom of the Participants panel, and you should see a button labeled Mute All. Clicking this button allows you to instantly mute everyone in the meeting, but to make sure this setting applies to participants upon joining, you'll need to toggle on the option that automatically mutes everyone as they enter. This setting is usually found in the meeting configuration options. Make sure you flick this toggle on. This way, as participants join your session, their microphones will automatically be muted, ensuring you have full control over when and how they can contribute to the discussion. It's worth noting that when you mute all participants, they can still unmute themselves unless you prevent this in your settings. If you wish to maintain a quieter meeting environment where only specific people should speak at designated times, you might consider setting up permissions that prevent attendees from unmuting themselves unless they raise their hand or are explicitly invited to speak. This can be done through the same Participants panel, ensuring smooth and structured communication throughout your meeting. By following these steps, you'll be able to host your Zoom meetings with confidence, knowing that you have comprehensive control over the audio settings and the overall flow of communication. Whether you're managing a small team meeting or a large webinar, these settings can help you maintain professionalism and order. Remember, keeping your meetings organized not only enhances productivity, but also makes for a more pleasant and